Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗙𝗿𝗊𝗲𝗀. Welcome back to another video. This video is extremely important for you if you are planning to take the test in 2024. You need to fix these 5 things before you actually go for the test in 2024 so that you can get your desired scores and you do not waste your time and money. I have divided these particular areas where you need to focus into 5 different parts. Each part is extremely important and you need to ensure you fix everything before you take the test. Let's get into the video. Number 1, very first thing which you need to focus and fix before you go for the test in 2024 are your describe, image and retell lecture templates. There was a time where you used to use templates in which you had a fixed template, no keywords from the image of the lecture, or you have the template where you have to repeat the same sentence again and again, for example, on the screen, on the screen, on the screen. Avoid that at any cost, otherwise you are going to lose a lot of points in your extended speaking, which refers to describe, image and retell lecture. You need to make sure you follow the updated templates. I have already uploaded the updated templates using which I have got 90 in speaking and 90 in every module as well. This is my scorecard and these are the templates which you need to follow. If you find these templates difficult, you can follow any other template as well, but you need to ensure that in describe image you speak around 20 seconds at least and retell lecture around 25-30 seconds. Make sure you do not repeat the same sentence again and again. If needed, you can repeat the keywords again and again, but not the whole sentence again and again. Another thing, you need to make sure you focus on your clarity as well. So describe, image and retell lecture is first thing you need to fix. If you are taking the test in 2024, do not repeat the same sentence again and again. Focus on clarity and speak around 20 seconds in describe image, retell lecture 25-30 seconds and things will be alright. Number 2 is your clarity in read aloud and repeat sentence. There used to be a time where you just, students used to speak too fast and they used to get 19 speaking, but that is not going to work anymore. You need to make sure that you focus on your clarity. Your speed is important, your fluency is important, but it's not the most important thing. You can go slightly slow, but clarity should be your main preference. What do I mean by that? For example, in read aloud, you can go at this pace. Once you have picked a general topic for your paper, but if you are speaking at this pace, your clarity is not there. Reduce your speed a bit, but your clarity should be top notch. If your clarity is the best, you will get full points in speaking, in reading and listening as well. So in read aloud and repeat sentence, before you go for the test, don't just focus on speed, focus on clarity. Speak calmly, do not rush into things. Take everything easy and focus on clarity. So rule number 1 or area number 1 which you need to fix are your describe, image and retell lecture templates. Do not use the old outdated templates. Rule number 2 or area number 2 is clarity in read aloud and repeat sentence. Area number 3 is your essay template. I cannot emphasize this enough. I have told you many times. Do not use fixed structure essay templates. Now you will have to add a few keywords related to the essay topic in your answer. If you do not add keywords related to the essay topic in your answer, things will be difficult and there are chances that you might miss out on your desired score. I have attached the template 1.3 version 1.3 which is working, which I used and which all my students used to get 90 in writing. You can use this template exactly the same way. I have also attached an in-depth explanation of using this template in the description box. You can watch that video as well. But there are 4 things which you need to follow in essay. Make sure you include all the keywords from the essay topic or question in your answer. Second, include 4 to 6 keywords related to the essay topic in your answer. Rule number 3, you need to make sure there are no spelling and grammar mistakes. And rule number 4, you have to make sure you spend 2 to 3 minutes proofreading your essay. So essay, do not use the old outdated templates. Use version 1.3 or any other essay template your teacher has provided you. But ensure these 4 things. All the keywords from the essay topic, no grammar spelling mistakes, at least 4 to 6 keywords related to the essay topic in your answer and you will be 100% fine. Area number 4 which you need to be very careful about is your spelling. You need to make sure there are no spelling mistakes in the listening module. If you have spelling mistakes in the listening module, your listening and writing scores will be significantly low. Recently, I've seen a lot of students who missed out in writing and they think the templates are not working. See, templates are not going to work if you are not using the templates properly. On top of that, if you're getting a low score in listening and writing, you are either messing up your summarized spoken text in listening fill in the blanks and write from dictation. In listening, if you have one spelling mistake, you straight away lose 1 point in listening and 1 point in writing. So I really need you to make sure there are no spelling mistakes in listening, summarize spoken text, listening, fill in the blanks, and write from dictation. How you avoid these mistakes? In write from dictation, wherever you are doubtful, add extra word. For example, there's a sentence as I am going to Brisbane. You are not really sure about the spellings for Brisbane. You can write I am going to Brisbane, BRISBANE, or you think BRESBANE. You can write both the words. There is no negative marking for the wrong word, but you will get 1 point for the correct word. You can add as many extra words, but you have to manage your time as well. I added a lot of extra words in my test where I've got 90 in all the modules, so don't stress about it. Write from dictation, wherever you're doubtful about spellings, add extra word. Listening, fill in the blanks, practice all the blanks available on languageacademy.com.au, or you can download LAPT exam practice app as well. Practice all the listening blanks, make a spelling list so that you can revise all the mistakes you are likely to make every time you take the test, and you do not repeat the same thing in the test. And lastly, summarize spoken text. Let's say you've got 15 keywords, you're only sure about 8 words or 8 spellings. Only write words which you are 100% sure. Do not write any word you're not sure. If you have less keywords, you repeat the same keywords, but do not write any word you're not sure about the spellings, and you'll be 100% fine. Summarize spoken text. If less keywords, repeat the same. Listening blanks, make a spelling list, and write from dictation, add extra words when in doubt. And last thing, area number 5, which you need to fix and focus on before you go for the test, are your mock tests. I've seen a lot of students practicing for days and days, but not taking mock tests. When they go for the test, they are not really sure what's next. A lot of surprises are there. You need to ensure you take at least 3 to 4 full scored mock tests before you go for the test, so that you are familiar with the exam format, the time management, the type of questions you'll have, and any kind of uncertainties which you might face in the test. Before you go for the test, take as many mock tests you want to or you can, so that you are familiar and you crack your test in the very first go. To take the mock test, you can simply go on languageacademy.com.au. I request you, there's one free full scored mock test which is available on the website. Take that mock test at least before you go for the test, because that mock test is pretty similar, to what you'll have in the test. That will give you a scorecard, feedback, score analysis, and tutor feedback, which will tell you what mistakes you have made, how to avoid the same, so that you do not repeat the same mistakes in the test. You do not waste your time and money and get your desired scores in the very first go. So take as many as scored mock tests you can. If you cannot afford or you do not have the subscription, you can just go on languageacademy.com.au. You will get 1 full scored mock test, 4 sectional mock tests, and 4 comprehensive mock tests for free, which are scored. So in total, you're getting 9 mock tests with scorecard and feedback, so that you have a clear idea of what mistakes you're making and you do not repeat the same mistakes in the test and crack your test in the very first go. I'll summarize the video again. Area number 1 which you need to fix: do not use outdated templates in describe, image, and retell lecture. Use the latest one. Next, read aloud, repeat sentence. You have to focus on your clarity more than your speed. Your speed is alright, but clarity is of utmost importance. Area number 3, essay template. You have to follow the updated one, where you include all the keywords from the essay topic, and at least 4 to 6 keywords from or related to the essay topic should be there in your answer. Area number 4, spellings in the listening module, especially summarize spoken text, blanks, and dictation. And 5th, mock test, so that you know what you should be ready for in the test. What are the uncertainties, what are the surprises, so that you have all the surprises and shocks in the mock test. Everything is well prepared before you go for the test. You go and sit for the test, crack it in the very first go, save your time, save your money, and get your desired scores in the very first go. That's it from this video. Make sure you fix these 5 areas so that you can get your desired scores in the shortest period of time. That's it from this video. If the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. If you need any help, we have got our branches in India, in Australia, and Nepal. These are the addresses and this is the contact number. If you need any help, we do provide online classes for PTE Core, PTE Academic. You can just send us a message, get in touch with us, visit our website, and we will make sure we give 100% to help you get your desired scores in the shortest period of time. Till date, we have helped more than 40,000 students clear their PT test in the shortest period of time, and you could be next. Lastly, if you don't have access to computer, you can download LAPT exam practice app, practice over there as well. Now go on languageacademy.com.au, register and start practicing so that you have a clear idea of what mistakes you need to avoid and what other things you can mess up in the test. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and do like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment section. And if this video helps you, do let me know if you ever get your desired scores watching my videos. That is something I work for, and that is something which will keep me going on. Take care, and now go and practice on languageacademy.com.au.